Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, on today's video, I am going to be tackling some things here at home that I have been needing to do for a while. I'm going to get started with unloading my dishwasher and reloading it. I'm going to do some laundry. I'm going to hang my son's TV on his wall in his room. And some other things that I need to get done. I've got a few Christmas gifts I'm going to wrap. So I've just got things that I need to get done here. So that is today's video. So I hope you'll stick around and I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. You were only like a friend, till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm counting hours, minutes, seconds, faster. Hurry, make it happen. Before we know it, I'll be on my way home. Yeah, we're chilling, you and I. Every crazy summer night, baby, I am coming home. I'm coming home. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
So I've been wanting to hang my son's TV up on the wall for quite a while now, so I had been looking for some Christmas deals on wall mounts. So I found this one for $19.99 at Target.com, so I ordered that. I also ordered one for my living room TV, so I will do that probably in a separate video. But yeah, so I got this one, and I was trying to get the mount installed into the wall, but the anchors that came with it are just plastic, and I really struggled to get those put into the wall, so I had to take a break. I ran over to Lowe's, and I got some that were, I guess, either metal or steel or whatever. I just needed something that was a little more sturdy, so I grabbed some of those. So I think I'm gonna have success getting this put on the wall today.
Wait a minute, I just wanna get to you. I've been trying for some time. to get by. We're one step closer to find ourselves a perfect place, a feeling you just can't deny. So come on over, 'cause I could never live without you. Everywhere we go, nobody knows we're waiting for the time to let go and do what's right for us. Started out here, way beyond the tracks, the story of us and now we never look back. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life, and sometimes all you need is a smile. You made up your mind just to see it through. There's nobody else here waiting. Just tell me how to get through to you, 'cause I just wanna get closer. Started out here, way beyond the tracks, the story of us and how we never look back. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life, and sometimes all you need is a smile. Oh yeah. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life. Sometimes all you need is a smile to get by.
Oh yeah. Don't you know we're getting old for this game? So why you keep playing, boy? Walking around like you're some kind of star. Yeah. You're talking sweet, pulling strings, but I know there's always something up your sleeve. So I won't listen to a word you speak anymore. Oh no, 'cause you only bring me down. But now I am gonna fly. You're gonna be loveless when you're without me. You're gonna regret it sooner or later. You're acting all tough, you think you're all that, but don't you know what goes around comes back around? You're gonna be loveless sooner or later. You gotta face the facts one of these days when your luck has run out. But don't you come crawling back, 'cause you know we're through. Oh yeah, 'cause you only cloud my eyes so that I can see the sky. You're gonna be loveless when you're without me. You're gonna regret it sooner or later. You're acting all tough, you think you're all that, but don't you know what goes around comes back around? You're gonna be loveless
got one package wrapped. I have these 3 over here that I need to get some gift boxes for, so I may go out tomorrow and do that. But at least I got one wrapped, so I've got some more shopping to do. I'm nowhere near being done. So anyway, I just, at least I got the one wrapped, so I will get some gift boxes for the others tomorrow and get those taken care of. So at least I made a little bit of progress today. Okay, well, I am done working in my son's room, so now I'm going to fix, I guess you could consider it a late lunch or an early dinner, whichever. Let me show you what I'm making. It's just something very, very simple and something that I make quite a bit, so let me show you. Okay, so what I'm using is Knorr rice sides. I buy this stuff all the time, and this particular flavor is creamy chicken. I buy these a lot, and what I do is I go ahead and cook them. So let me show you what I'm going to add here. This is called Bahama Mama cheddar smoked sausage, and this is made by Schmidt's. Now, we have a Schmidt's restaurant in downtown Columbus, so I am not sure if this is sold across the country or not. I've only started using it since I've lived here. So what I do is I just take a couple of links. They're good sized links. I just slice them up and then I add them to the rice, and it makes such a great meal. It's perfect. It's a perfect size for Hunter and I. So let me go ahead and get this sliced up and get this added to the mix.
Give me a try. I know we can make it. Take my love. I don't wanna give you up. Yeah, I'm in.
So after I add the sausage to the mix, I'll just let it sit for maybe 5 or 10 minutes just to heat the sausage up. It doesn't really take long, but it's such a perfect size. It makes such a great meal for Hunter and I. And it's really inexpensive too.
Give me a try. Just give me one more try. You are my reason for living, but you make me feel alive. You and I can't fight this feeling. My love, my love, my love. Give me a chance. I know we can make it. Take my hand. I'm waiting with open arms through the rain. I'll be there beside you. Give me a chance. Just give me one more chance. You are my reason for living, but you make me feel alive. You and I can't fight this feeling. My love, my love, my love. You are my reason.
Okay guys, I'm embarrassed to show you this, but I wanted to show you my tub. Normally it doesn't look like this, but because when we shower, I think I need to get some Drano or something like that, because the drain seems to back up, and the tub, as we're showering, the tub will fill up about halfway. And so with like all, like our hair and just, soap scum, everything that comes off of us when we shower has settled in the bottom of this tub. So I'm so embarrassed to show it, but I thought I would anyway, because I am going to bleach this and clean it really, really good. It just looks awful. So let's get this done. This is disgusting.
The wind blows cold tonight, but there's no place I'd rather
how much better that looks. Gosh. This tub is not very old. This was put in maybe about 2 years ago because this bathroom was so old. These buildings are actually, I think they were built in maybe the 70s. So the tub and the shower needed to be replaced. So this isn't very old. The tile, it's not even really tile. There used to be tile in here, but now it's just like fiberglass walls, and it's got like the little shelves there for the soaps. But yeah, the tub, it's all, fairly new. So, but yeah, I'm gonna have to get some Drano because the water just takes forever to drain. I literally wait for it to drain before I could even wash it out, and I gave it another spray of bleach, some Clorox bleach, so it looks much, much better. So I just wanted to show you guys. My tub doesn't normally look that bad, but gosh, looks a whole lot better. Looks brand new.
You're changing your mind like I change my clothes. How far can we fall when nobody knows? It ain't me who's been caught in a landslide. It ain't me you were thinking about. We may lose what we got, but we're never gonna stop.
Okay guys, well, I am all done for the day. I got some important things done around here that I really needed to take care of, so I feel so much better having it all done. So now I'm just going to relax for the rest of the day and start fresh again tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, that's all I've got for today. I'm tired. I'm going to rest. So I hope you guys are having a great one, and I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me.